英語学習と AI 関連の知識向上、G テスト合格を目指す英研究家 G チャンネルご視聴ありがとうございます。英語で考え、英語で答えながら G 試験、G 検定向け模擬テスト10問、第6回やっていきたいと思います。それでは問題見ていきましょう。さあ、左側51から60まで過去問ですね。Chatgpt が作ってくれたものがありますので、英語で考えて、英語で答えながら言ってみたいと思います。右側ですね、Google 翻訳を使いながら、このボタンを押すと英語を聞き取ってくれますので、英語をスピーキングしながら、スピーキング力を高めつつ考えて答えに、クエスチョンに答えていきたいと思います。それでは、どんな感じでやっているのか、こんな感じでやってますので、参考にしてみてください。Question 51. Which term describes a model that memorizes training data instead of learning general patterns? Which term describes memorize training data? I think answer for question 51 is learning. Supervised learning. Supervised learning. Okay, let's move to the question 52. What is the primary purpose of a validation data set? Okay, let me try to say answer for question 52 is to generalize for generalization. Okay, let's move to the question 53. Which algorithm is commonly used for anomaly detection? Anomaly detection. Anomaly means false, right? False detection. Which algorithm? Let me think about it. I would like to say answer for question 53 is trees. Branch trees? Or screening? I don't know. I'm not sure. Let's move to question 54. What does the term black box model refer to? Black box model. Let me think about it. Answer for question 54. Black box. So that means lack of explainability. Okay, let's move to the question 55. Which concept ensures that an AI system decisions can be traced back to data and logic? The keyword I think is trace, can be traced. Which concept? Not easy question. Which concept ensures? I give up for this. Any word did not come to my mind. Let's move to 56. What is the main role of future scaling in machine learning? Future scaling main role. What is future scaling? Oh, these questions is not multiple choice questions, so difficult to say by word. I don't know. Please explain what is future scaling. But this is quite interesting. Let's move forward. Question 57. Which type of learning use non-labeled data and focused on discovering hidden patterns? I think answer for question 57 is unsupervised learning. Okay, let's move to question 58. What is the key risk of deploying AI system without sufficient testing? AI risk without sufficient testing. Answer for question 58. Malfunction. Or I think risk of the AI is bias. it can be possible that the biased result may come up. Okay, move to question 59. Which method is commonly used to improve model performance by combining multiple weak models? Oh, I don't know this. I give up. Let's move to last one. Question 60. In AI governance, what does accountability primarily mean? Accountability means people can understand how the result was made. Okay, these are my reply. I'm a little bit surprised this time it is not multiple choice questions. Anyway, I did my best, so let's check the correct answer, and I want to hear your explanation. This is very good steps for me to improve. さあ、こんな感じで英語の問題を英語で答えてみましたけれども、このように Google が聞き取ってくれてますので、答え合わせはですね、コピー&ペーストでこれを、Chatgpt に送ってあげるとですね、自動的に返してくれますので、非常に学習楽に進めていけますし、英語で話しながらやっているので、スピーキング力アップですね、そして単語力アップなどに使えます。ただですね、内容がとても難しいので、簡単に答えられないところもありましたけれども、それでは答え合わせいってみましょう。さあでは答え合わせしていきたいと思います。答えもですね、英語で来ていますので、英語でスピーキング力アップのために読んでいきたいと思います。Question 51. Correct answer. Overfitting. Explanation. Overfitting means the model memorizes training data but fails on new data. Supervised learning just means using labeled data. Example keyword. Memorize. Poor generalization equals overfitting. Question 52. Correct answer. To tune hyperparameters and check generalization. My answer, generalization, partly correct. Explanation. Validation data is used during training to tune parameters, prevent overfitting. My idea was right, just incomplete. Okay, let's move to the question 53. Correct answer. Isolation forest. 1 class SVM. K means distance based. My answer, trees. This is uncertain. Explanation. Common anomaly detection algorithms. Isolation forest. Very important for G test. 1 class SVM. Remember, anomaly detection, not classification. Okay, question 54. Correct answer. A model, though the decision process is not interpretable. My answer, lack of explanation ability. Perfect. Black box models equals deep learning, large neural networks. Question 55. Correct answer, traceability. Traceability means decisions can be tracked back to data, model, and logic. Closely related to AI governance and ethics. Okay. Question 56. Correct answer. To put features on the same scale. Explanation. Feature scaling prevents large value features from dominating. Improves convergence speed. Examples. Standardization. Mini-max scaling. Question 57. Correct answer. Unsupervised learning. Your answer. My answer. Unsupervised learning. Correct. Key phrase. Discover hidden patterns without labels. Question 58, correct answer. Unexpected behavior, bias, safety failures. My answer, bias, malfunction. My answer is good. This is a high-risk AI topic. Question 59, correct answer. Ensemble learning. Explanation. Combining weak models to strong model. Examples. Random forest. Other boost. Gradient boosting. Last one, 60. Correct answer. Clear responsibility for AI decisions. My answer, people can understand results. Explanation. That answer fits explainability, not accountability. Accountability equals who is responsible, who fixes problems, who is legally liable. My score, 6 out of 10. さあ、こんな感じで、英語でですね、G 検定を学びながら、英語力、スピーキング力アップですね。とにかくスピーキング力アップは声に出しながら、音読などをしながら学んでいくということで、どんどん上がっていくと思います。いかがだったでしょうか？ G 検定ですね。AI 独特の専門用語も出てきて、聞き慣れない単語とかですね、意味、非常に覚えにくいかもしれませんけれども、繰り返し触れていくことで、どんどん、言葉の意味と定義がですね、頭に入っていくんではないでしょうか。G テストの本番は合計で160問。これを120分でやるので、あとは時間ですね。1問45秒以内で答えていかないといけないっていう、この時間のリミットも頭に入れておく必要があるのではないでしょうか。研究家事チャンネルいいなと思ったらチャンネル登録、高評価ボタンのクリックもお願いします。Have a great day!